A bit of a warm-up today, but don't count on it lasting much longer.
Isn't that the story in Colorado? Meteorologist Danielle Grant's now with a major shift taking shape. Danielle?
Are you guys ready for a little snow?
What?
No, we're not.
I know, like we were saying yesterday, we haven't even seen fall yet, but already it does appear like some winter weather might be on the horizon for us next week. Out ahead of it, still warm and still windy. We'll be monitoring high fire danger as we look ahead toward tomorrow. This is our vantage point downtown overlooking the foothills. The camera shaking just a bit as the winds have kicked up, but the sky's just stunning out there. Temperatures this afternoon absolutely soared. 77 degrees, temps running a solid 15 degrees above our average. It should be sweater weather around here. We saw highs sitting in the 60s. A little cold front pushed through across the northeastern plains, so that kept folks out there just a bit cooler. 60s and even some spots up in the high country in the low 70s. Looking at the climate calendar, of course, we are well above our average and not quite near that record high 87 last set back in 1973. And if you are a fan of the more fall-like, winter-like weather, a little cool off is coming our way. Looking ahead at the 10-day forecast, that cooler than average conditions across the west slowly migrating back in here to Colorado. High pressure is around though, so still the heat is upon us. Another front digging in across the Pacific Northwest, bringing them some rain and snow. That front will push through and help to at least cool us off by the tail end of the work week. Tonight we're down to 45 with clear skies statewide. We'll be in the 30s, low 40s off to the eastern plains, and everyone pretty much near the freezing mark up in the mountains. Early tomorrow morning is a beautiful start to the day. Plenty of sunshine, couple of clouds right near our border as we're awaiting another cold front that digs in. Out ahead of it, it really kicks up the winds quite a bit for us. Hence the reason we'll be monitoring some high fire danger with temperatures back into the 70s. And again, extremely dry conditions. The drought is pretty tough across Colorado. We desperately need to see some rain, some snow, and finally, it will be in the extended forecast, but it might be too late. Looking at our hour-by-hour planner for tomorrow, temperatures soaring into the lower 70s by the lunch hour. Later in the afternoon, we'll see highs approach the low to mid 70s for most of northeastern Colorado, back to the 80s, middle to late October around La Junta, Lamar, Springfield too, with 50s and 60s up through the mountains and into the foothills for your Thursday. Looking ahead at the extended forecast, here comes that cold front. This really will help to drop off our temperatures a bit on Friday. As it starts to sneak through, we'll also be looking at our fire danger starting to push out as well. So the cooler air in place on Friday, but it does not last long. Another warm front zips back in, and that means we'll crank up the dial, possibly heading into record-setting territory on Sunday and Monday. Look at these highs. Folks, it's going to be the warm before that next storm system rolls in. It rolls into the high country late Monday, sticks around Tuesday, bringing the mountains some nice snowfall. Rain first here in Denver, but look at those overnight lows Tuesday night into Wednesday. Possibly a bit of a rain-snow mix. Denver's potential first snowfall of this season coming our way early next Wednesday morning.
82 in October. That is incredible, Danielle.